Your legs are the first to go. Eat these 5 healing foods. Do you feel like climbing stairs is harder than it used to be, or that getting up from a chair takes more effort than before? This isn't just aging. It's a silent sign that your leg muscles are losing strength, and when your legs start to fail, everything changes. Your risk of falling increases, your mobility drops, and your independence slowly slips away. But here's the good news. You can reverse this. With just 5 powerful natural foods, you can strengthen your legs, restore your balance, and stay independent for years to come. Stick with me until the end, because number 3 is a real shield against muscle loss. Here on Healing Bites, we share simple, natural, and science-backed tips to help you feel better and live better. If you've noticed your legs getting weaker or feel pain when walking, drop a yes in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more life-changing health tips coming your way. 5. Oats. Have you ever felt a strange weakness in your legs during the afternoon, even without doing anything strenuous? Or woken up tired, like you ran a marathon in your sleep? This silent exhaustion might be linked to something most people never consider: the quality of energy you're giving your muscles. And that's where oats come in, one of the most underrated and powerful foods for keeping your legs strong and steady. Unlike white bread and regular pasta, which spike your blood sugar and then crash your energy like a house of cards, oats provide slow-releasing carbohydrates. That means steady energy throughout the day with no ups and downs. It's like feeding your muscles drop by drop, keeping your strength alive without interruption. But that's just the beginning. Oats are rich in iron, a key mineral that helps carry oxygen to your muscle fibers. Without enough iron, your muscles are literally out of breath, and the result is fatigue, dizziness, and that feeling of falling behind. Another secret weapon? Magnesium. It works like a natural muscle relaxer, helping prevent cramps, tingling, and that heavy leg sensation that so many people feel at the end of the day, especially after 60. And if you think adding oats to your diet is complicated, here's the good news. Just add a spoonful to your yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, cook them into a warm bowl of oatmeal, or even mix them into pancake batter. Oats are simple, affordable, and incredibly versatile. But what they do inside your body is anything but simple. They nourish, protect, and strengthen your legs, smartly and consistently. If you want to climb stairs with ease again, this might be your first real step forward. 4. Avocado. Many people think avocado is just a trendy food, something for the younger generation, but if there's one fruit that should be a staple on the plate of anyone wanting to keep strong legs, it's this one. As time passes, the body starts to accumulate silent inflammation. You may feel discomfort while walking, stiffness that won't go away, or that annoying pain after just a few steps. This isn't weakness, it's inflammation, and avocado is one of the most powerful foods to fight it. Packed with healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fatty acids, avocado works like a natural lubricant for your joints. It reduces stiffness, eases pain, and brings back that light, smooth feeling when you walk, something many people believe they've lost forever. But it doesn't stop there. Avocados actually contain more potassium than bananas, a vital mineral that keeps your muscles contracting properly. If you suffer from nighttime cramps, muscle spasms, or that weak sensation when standing up, potassium from avocados might be exactly what you need. And to top it off, this fruit delivers a generous dose of vitamin E, an antioxidant that shields your muscle fibers from age-related wear and tear. Think of it as armor for your muscles, helping you stay stronger for longer. Want an easy way to include avocado in your day? Mash it with lemon and salt for a toast spread, slice it over your salad, or blend it into a creamy, nutrient-packed smoothie. You can even enjoy it straight from the spoon. Simple, quick, and effective. Most importantly, when you eat avocado regularly, you don't just feel lighter on your feet. You regain control over your movements, your posture, and your independence. By the way, let me know in the comments. Do you eat avocado often, or has it slipped out of your routine? It's always great to hear what's already part of your day, and who knows, your comment might inspire someone else too. 3. Berries. Have you ever felt yourself getting weaker, without any clear reason, like the strength in your legs is just fading, little by little, day after day? This could be a sign of something happening inside your body, silently and invisibly. Oxidative stress. It slowly attacks your muscle cells, speeds up aging, and eats away at your strength without you even realizing it. And when this process goes unchecked, the body starts to lose firmness, balance, and flexibility. But nature is smart. And in berries, it placed one of the most powerful defenses against this silent enemy. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, these fruits are true antioxidant shields. They neutralize the free radicals that damage your muscles, speed up recovery, and help keep your legs strong and protected. But that's not all. Berries also have natural anti-inflammatory properties, and that makes all the difference. That nagging knee pain, the stiffness when getting out of bed, the struggle with those first few steps in the morning, all of that can be reduced just by consistently adding berries to your meals. And here's one more secret most people don't talk about. Berries are rich in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production, the tissue that supports your tendons, joints, and muscles. So they don't just relieve pain, they reinforce the very structure that keeps your legs standing strong. The best part? You don't have to overthink it. Toss a handful into your yogurt, blend them with banana into a smoothie, or just snack on them fresh during the afternoon. The secret is in the frequency, not the amount. A little bit every day makes a big difference. With berries, you fuel your body, slow down muscle aging, and even sharpen your mind. Yes, they also help with memory and focus. Stronger legs, sharper mind, and the taste? Amazing. It's hard to find a more complete package than that. 2. Sweet potato. As the body ages, it starts to lose its ability to regenerate as quickly as it used to. And when your muscles can't recover properly, weakness only gets worse. That's where sweet potato comes in. One of the smartest foods for anyone who wants to keep their legs strong. It's packed with complex carbohydrates, a source of energy that doesn't burn out fast or cause that roller coaster effect where your energy spikes and then crashes. With sweet potatoes, your muscles get steady, reliable fuel, and that makes all the difference when it comes to maintaining strength and balance throughout the day. But that's just the beginning. Sweet potatoes also provide a healthy dose of vitamin A, a powerful antioxidant that helps repair muscle tissue and reduce joint stiffness. It's like a behind-the-scenes healer, quietly speeding up your recovery between physical efforts. And there's more. Sweet potatoes offer 2 essential nutrients for leg health: potassium, which helps prevent cramps and supports proper muscle contraction, and fiber, which improves digestion and nutrient absorption, making sure what you eat actually reaches where it's needed. On top of that, sweet potatoes have anti-inflammatory effects, helping to fight the internal damage that slowly wears down your muscles over the years. So how do you add them to your daily routine? It's easier than you think. Slice and roast them in the oven. Mash them with olive oil for a creamy side dish, or turn them into crispy chips for a healthy snack. They go with just about anything, and instantly turn any meal into a natural strength booster. Adding sweet potatoes to your routine is like filling your tank with premium fuel. You'll feel the difference in your steps, in your energy, and in the way you move. 1. Eggs. Many people overlook eggs because they seem too simple. But when it comes to muscle strength, balance, and stability, few foods are as complete as this one. Eggs are a true powerhouse of muscle repair. They provide complete protein, meaning all the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and maintain strong muscles, something that becomes even more important after age 60. And it doesn't stop there. Inside the yolk, you'll find vitamin D, a key nutrient for maintaining muscle tone, movement control, and even bone health. People with low vitamin D levels often experience weakness, poor balance, and a higher risk of falls. But maybe the most underrated ingredient in eggs is choline. This nutrient is crucial for keeping communication flowing between your muscles and your nervous system, helping your body respond quickly, stay sharp, and move with confidence. Ever feel like your legs don't react the way they used to, or that your timing is just a little off when walking? It might be a lack of choline, and eggs deliver it naturally, every single day. The best part? They're easy to add to your routine. Boiled, scrambled, made into a veggie omelette, or even mixed into a quick sandwich. There's no wrong way to eat eggs. With just 2 eggs a day, you may start noticing real improvements in strength, balance, and walking confidence. Simple, affordable, and straight to the point. Eggs feed your muscles, protect your nerves, and help you stay independent for longer. You don't have to accept that your legs will get weaker over time. With these 5 foods, you can regain your strength, improve your balance, and keep walking with confidence. Don't wait for pain or a fall to take action. Start today. And tell me in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that takes care of you from the inside out. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, stay strong, stay steady, and keep your legs ready to carry you further every day.